Hey guys, in this training we're going to talk about how to upload your contacts inside of Genie Rocket. This is the most important step because without contacts you can't do anything else. So this is going to help you organize your contacts, manage your contacts, communicate with your contacts, whether it's a prospect, a lead, a customer, whoever it is. We're going to jump in and get started. So this is how you do it. Once you're logged in, you're going to go over here to contacts. If you have just a one-off contact, let's say you just met someone at a mixer, at a convention, you just need to add one person in here, you got a business card, you're simply going to click on this plus icon, and this is where you can add in all their information, hit save, they're going to add to your system. After they're added, you can call them, text them, email them, enroll them in workflows, whatever you want to do. If you're uploading in bulk, let's say you're moving from a different CRM or different system, you're going to export that list as a CSV file, and then we're going to import it back inside to Genie Rocket. So to do that, we're simply going to click this up arrow right here to import contacts, and we're going to import a CSV file. So I have a list right here that I just have for testing purposes called testcontact.csv. I'm just going to drag and drop the file just right on there, and immediately it is going to show me all the different fields that were in that CSV. Now this is an important step. You get to match up what's in the document versus what's on Genie Rocket. So for example, if the document has a field called contact ID, and the spreadsheet has a field called contact ID, it's going to try to match it up just like this. The rest of them are pretty easy. So first name is matched to first name, last name to last name, phone number to phone number, email to email. If you have something like a created date and you don't have something in there, you can actually just hit select field and it will skip it and won't do anything with it because we don't need it. Same thing for last activity. If we don't have anything for that, it might not be important. If you do have tags from a previous system, you want to make sure that the column of all of the comma separated tags are mapped to the tags field here just by selecting tags. Once that's done and you have all your fields mapped, you're going to hit continue. We're then going to see a few different samples. These are all test kind of dummy data, so it's not going to show us really high quality information here. Here's an example. So this is my record, so it shows me first name, last name, email tags. This looks good. I'm okay with the sample data it's pulling in, so I'm going to hit continue. Now before, it's going to give me two more steps. Before I finish uploading, it's going to give me three options. The first option is recommended. This is where we say the data, update them with the data in the document, but only for fields that are empty. So the spreadsheet is going to then update any contact information. If that contact already exists in Genie Rocket and it already has information, that is going to be king. And if there's any empty information, the spreadsheet's going to update it. But if there's two fields with two different varying information, Genie Rocket, what's currently in there, is going to reign king. If you want to reverse that, you can say update them with data in the spreadsheet. Then the spreadsheet will overrule everything. And if you just don't want to modify anyone, so if it already finds a contact in there, just don't do anything, just skip it. You can choose don't modify them. So we're going to choose this first option, hit continue. This is important if you're uploading a list and you want to add a unique tag to everyone in this list. We can do so here. So for example, let's say we met everyone at a conference and we want to say business conference attendees. We're going to hit this blue button and we're going to see it in gray down here, which means it's now going to be a tag. So everyone that we're uploading is going to get this tag. So I'm going to hit done. It is going to quickly upload all of those contacts, put them in here, and then we are done. So if I go back to all here, let me click hide filters. Sometimes it takes just a second here, so we're going to refresh. We're then going to see all the new contacts in the system uploaded. They're all going to have that new tag, and then we can get started to go to work. So now you can see business conference, business conference, business conference, all of these new contacts. So if I wanted to go ahead and go in here, and let's find one with an email. Let's see, some of these, the sample data doesn't have information. So if I just click on one here, then I'm in their customer profile. I can then send them an SMS. I can click this green button to call them. I can add their information. So let's just say like John Doe, and their email is hello@johndoe.com, and I hit save here at the bottom. And if I refresh my screen, then I'll have the ability to now email them because now the email's in the system. So you'll see once this reloads, I now have the ability to send them an SMS, send them an email, Over here now, I have all the activity. So if they actually come to like a website or a funnel or do anything, we're going to be able to see their activity. I can add a new task. I can take notes. I can schedule an appointment, and it's all on one screen. So I hope that was helpful. We went over how to import a single contact and how to import a whole list. My name is Brad Parnell with Genie Rocket, and I'll see you next time.